Hey guys, welcome back. Recipe for today are some popcorn chicken breast with pakchoi. So you know a Jamaican cooking with lumberjack, you know. So watch the video till the end, like, share, right? Alright my peeps. So I'm going to show you all of my ingredients, how me prepare my popcorn chicken breast. Alright my peeps. The recipe for today are some popcorn chicken breast. So I'm going to show you all of my ingredients what I use in my popcorn chicken breast. See the vinegar, you can see sauce here, baking powder, I have some egg powder. Cause I don't know how the phone will this week, so I have some egg powder. See all of my seasonings them here. It's my pakchoi. You see me spice them here, carrot, onion, garlic, pepper, sweet pepper. We have some thyme and scallion and some pakchoi. So remember, popcorn chicken breast with pakchoi. Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Alright? Alright, the pizza seed. Separate the bone. Breast off for the bone, right? Alright. So me want my chicken breast. Son dinner this, you know? Alright, my peeps, see there? See chicken breast there, say, look. Yeah, man, remember popcorn chicken breast, you know, with pop chow, you know. Yeah, man, Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Yeah, see what we're going now, alright? Remember, you know, popcorn chicken breast, you know, with pop chow, you know. Alright, this is going on my aisle. It's my aisle here. So, some ginger, garlic, pepper, scallion. Go and flavor the aisle. See there? All of my spice there. See chicken there? Yeah, man. Remember popcorn chicken breast with pop chow. Remember, you know? Alright. So, like, share. Alright. Don't forget to season up and things. We have some spice here to see on there. There's the chicken. Popcorn chicken breast. Yeah, my peeps, so I go on, remember, you know, popcorn chicken breast. Alright, let them go and fry. Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Remember to like and share. Popcorn chicken breast. Remember Jamaican cooking with lumberjack, you know. Yeah, man, see all of my spice there. See chicken breast there, you can see. Yeah, man. Remember popcorn chicken breast with pop chow. Remember Jamaican cooking with lumberjack, you know. Like, share. Recipe I got nice. Remember Jamaican cooking with lumberjack, you know. Yeah, man, popcorn chicken breast with pop chow. Alright, yeah, so remember Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Remember Jamaican cooking lumberjack, you know. So you know say popcorn chicken breast with pakchoi. Cook it how you like it, cook it how you want it. I cook it my way. You get what me I say? Yeah. I cook it my way because why? Me I eat it. Right? So you cook it your way. So popcorn chicken breast with pakchoi. Alright, this ready now. Delicious. Yeah, my people, so I go on there. Popcorn chicken breast with pakchoi. Rice and peas, some fried dumpling and fried plant. You know what? Jamaican cooking with lumberjack though. Remember to like and share. No joke.